I'm Nurse Bob. I'm a practicing nurse in Northern California, and today I'm going to talk about how the heart and circulatory system work. This is going to be kind of a 50,000-foot overview, so it's not going to be very detailed at all, but it should give you a basic idea of how everything works. So join the fun. Talk to you soon. So the heart is basically two pumps in one. There's a right side of the heart with two chambers, the atrium and the ventricle, and there's little valves between that make sure that it only runs one direction. And after the blood leaves the right side of the heart out of the right ventricle, it runs into the lungs, which will appear momentarily. And the lungs are where the oxygen and carbon dioxide change places. The oxygen comes in, the carbon dioxide leaves. And on the left side, there's also an atrium and a ventricle. And the ventricle, again, does the majority of the pumping. It's really the workhorse. The atria serve as superchargers. So once the blood leaves the heart, it of course runs to the brain, to the organs, to the muscles. And of course it does its work, and instead of being red, then it sort of, it loses its oxygen and becomes venous blood again. And down in the lower extremities, down in the legs, the calf muscles actually play a role as part of the circulatory system. They help pump the blood back to the heart. So that's why it's important that we remain active and move around, because otherwise you can form blood clots in the legs, and it's excruciatingly painful, and it has a real health risk with it. You can also cause strokes and heart attacks if those clots break free. So that's a real quick look at how the heart works and how the blood flows. And I'm Nurse Bob, and we'll talk again in the future. Thanks.